On June 3, 2026, Hazard County officers were alerted to a 1969 orange Dodge Charger driving erratically along Main Street.
So the reason I stopped you is for speeding. You were doing 65 and a 55. So I'm going to need your license and registration, please.
I am traveling, not driving, and I'm not engaging in commerce, therefore I do not require a license or registration.
Okay, sovereign citizen, right?
I'm kidding, officer. Just want to see if that works. 42 in pursuit of the orange 1969 Dodge Charger. 2 white male occupants head along Main Street, speed 76, approach traffic lights.
42, acknowledged.
Holy moly.
All units, suspect vehicle now southbound on Cedar.
Come on.
Oh my word! Boston! Chopsticks to be deployed on Cedar southbound by Big Rock finishing that.
Come on!
42 on Dirt Road, heading towards Rickety Bridge.
Oh, wow.
42 attempting pit. Stop resisting.
Taser!
The driver of the orange Dodge Charger was charged with refusing to provide license/registration after lawful stop, felony, fleeing to elude law enforcement, reckless driving, criminal mischief/criminal damage to property, damage to agricultural property/livestock, those were the chickens, and resisting arrest without violence. These good old boys are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.